this tutorial, I'm gonna let you know the ways to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. In order to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap, you just have to follow this simple guide. First of all, make sure to log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged in, press the Discover tab located right at the bottom, and right on this page on the search box, type in PancakeSwap. When you actually locate PancakeSwap, press on it. It's gonna direct you to the web field where you need to go ahead and press on the connect button. So here you need to go ahead and make sure to click on the connect button and then just follow the prompt. And when you actually, now you could go ahead and select the wallet that you want to go with. So when you've actually done with this, click on the connect wallet button, then make sure to go with the prompt that has been listed, and with that you'll have successfully connected Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.